got the Miami Heat fans behind it. Engage all of this now. Squeeze it. Squeeze all the way through. Drive up, drive up, drive up. Beautiful.
It's ripped up.
Steel canvas is what I want. Those reps are really good.
No, I tell the fat comes off.
It's coming off.
Like all the fat.
Starting to shake. Cheekbones starting.
Fat face like 4 months ago. Chip on the cheeks. You've been eating. Come at me saying, are you been eating?
Where do you want to go? I want you on your elbows. Palms tilt in. Flatten this out. Go. Right there. Engage now. Go. Good.
Again?
Yeah, I'm ready to go. Right here. Go. Get up. Calves, relax your calves. Squeeze. Squeeze. Go. You have really big calves, really strong calves. 10 partials. Go. Right there. Yes. Engage. Keep this tight. Get it, Chris. Get it. No, no, no. Control the negative. Beautiful.
Do we have another one?
Go one more.
I think I forgot to take my fiber today.
Uh-oh.
I don't have shooting boots.
No, you should have shooting boots. Like.
I wanted a landslide, like a log flume. Roto-rooter.
Like we got cleaned up on L4.
Just get whatever this is out. Air bubbles. Did it really get heavier? Was that you? Well, here comes the colonic.
Last one is easy. Your hamstring is popping out of there. I'm telling you. Yup. Stretch that glute. Get the glute. Yup. 5 more. 2. Go back. Go back. Go back. You got 5 now. Come on. Let's go. Last one. Big drive. Yeah. That's easy.
Now I feel like this is OnlyFans. Camera on the other side.
Go. 5 more reps. 1. 2. Last one. Last one. Good drive. Good. Yes. Somebody's strong today, so we're going to take advantage of that.
Sipping all the cake on the diet plan. You know how like I have a fear of walking on those grates on the ground?
Yeah.
Sitting on the here is kind of the same. Oh, I haven't touched a cucumber yet. Not desperate enough. Oh boy.
Let's go. Let's not think about it.
Push it on it.
No. Go. Yes. Good negative. Good negative. Come on, get more depth than that. Come on, no half reps. Get down, get down, get down, drive. Do it again. One more. Come on. Yes.
This is what my clients are talking about when I can't count.